Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we ordered a mod from Philthy Blendz, guys. Something he announced about a week and a half ago to 2 weeks. He had released a mod for the FX3 Trimmer, a saddle. Basically what this mod is going to do, guys, is allow you to pretty much put any of the Babyliss blades on it. Pretty much sparked my interest because I know a lot of you guys have mixed reviews about blades, and I know everybody has a favorite one. So let's check out this mod, guys, and let's put it on the FX3 to see how it goes. It took me a little while to get it because the postal office had messed up delivering it and put it in a different box.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I got it a couple days later than expected. We ordered this the same night that Philthy Blendz had released it. I was pretty excited. I was talking to it with a bunch of other barbers about it. Alright. So that's pretty much all it has. It's these two things right here. Business card for philthyblendz.com. You guys can check it out right there. On the flip side, it has a barcode scanner. If you guys need extra help, you guys can just scan this code right here, and it'll pretty much give you guys an instructional video on how to do it. So this is how the mod looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take it out of the packaging. I'm not going to look up the video to see. We're going to figure it out together, guys. So let's do that. I'm going to show you guys pretty much how this mod works. It's pretty simple. It's literally plug and play. So we're going to unscrew the screws. We're going to put the mod, which is the saddle, right here. And you guys are pretty much just going to align it with the holes. You got to look at the shape of the mod and then just basically plug and play, guys. See? Just like that. Whatever other blade that you want to put. If it's this one, DLC 2.0 blade, Rose Gold 2.0, it doesn't matter what it is, the chameleon one. We're just gonna line it up with the holes right there, as you guys can see. Literally plug and play. I'm gonna put it on top, make sure everything's nice and aligned, just like that. Press the screws down a little bit, screw it back on. Just like that. As you guys can see, make sure everything's aligned, and then all you gotta do is turn it on, and there you go. Easy peasy, even a caveman could do it.
Yeah, boy.
So this whole point of this mod, ladies and gentlemen, is to pretty much to give you options. For example, for myself, I really like the body. I like the specs on it. I like the power. I like how light it is. I like the battery meter on it, the LED display. It's powerful for a little cordless lightweight trimmer. So all those things are a check in the box for me. But now when it comes to blades, it's super awesome, like I said, with this little mod, and it's not even that expensive either. So pretty much it gives you so many options on blades. You're not just limited to the FX3 blade, and I think this mod is really badass. Honestly, Philthy Blendz always comes out with some dope ass mods, you know. So now we're able to use any blade. This saddle right here allows you to use pretty much DLC blade right here, 2.0 blades, pretty much all the line of Babyliss. You're not limited to just a certain FX3 blade. So I think it's dope, you know. I think this is a dope mod for the FX3 Trimmer. I think it's pretty OP, overpowered. I know a lot of you guys had mixed reviews when it came to the FX3 blade. So now you guys have plenty of options to mess with. This saddle is only $12.99. It's $13 basically, and you guys can find it at philthyblendz.com. Let me know what you guys think about this saddle, this mod right here by Philthy Blendz. Let me know if you guys have an FX3 trimmer. Are you guys gonna cop this mod, or are you guys gonna keep the same blade on it? It's always nice to have your options open, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to these trimmers, because I mean, you get bored of one blade, you guys can put multiple blades on it, change it up every now and then just to keep the rotation going. And I hope you guys found this video informative. If you guys weren't going to cop the FX3 just based off the blade, now you guys can put different blades on it. For those of you who had struggled with the stock blades because it was too sharp, and now you have options when it comes to the blades. So I'd check it out if you guys. I think it's a dope trimmer, like I said. So You can never have too many options, guys. And I think this is a great mod from Philthy Blendz. So let me know what blade you guys are slapping on the FX3s, and if you guys like the stock blade, that's cool too. Let me know what you guys like about the stock blade. I pretty much use a stock blade from the FX3 just for edge ups. I don't really like to mess around with it and bulk out too much because I'm a little scared that it might get stuck on pores, but that's just me. I have used it to bulk out, but I move slow with it, you know, playing it safe. But now I'm gonna try out all these other blades. I honestly don't mind the DLC 2.0 blade, so I might just leave this one on there just to, you know, just so I could use this more as a workhorse instead of just a liner, you know. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about this mod, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.